That's right, baby boy. Go for it. Oh, yeah, there's a ball down there. Where is it? You want Dada to get it? What do you say? What do you say? Okay. Let's go take a look, Elijah. Oh, you can get it yourself. What about the other one?
No.
Don't throw it at the food. There's another one. Oh, can you get it? You want Dada to help? There you go. Back to horsey time, come on. Why would you do that?
Not all of it, just one. Oh my god, you're a monster.
Alright, Elijah. Hey, say bye-bye. There, thanks.